lalela ke namhlanje ngizithola zishisa ngizilethe ngetray ngiziletha ngizosebela wena mngani wami sanibonani ke bonke welondlovukazi ngiza nendaba wona uzana nendlebe hayi yabona uma ungayithanda indaba sishiye ushiye thina noma mgobhozi la sibe silalela lesi story lesi nasi story umngani wethu ke uthi ukhule kubo kukhona ubaba wakhe noma wakhe udade wabo uyena uthi nje bakhule beumndeni owawungekho rich kodwa futhi babe ngahlupheki the way a middle class family uthi bakhula nje ekhaya bakhula under isandla sikama wabo a good woman obelokhu nje ebaphusha ukuthi abafunde abantwana nesandla nobaba wabo was taking care of the family as a provider uthi umngani wethu ke bongiwe ekhaya ke bayasiphusha nje sifunde ukuthi sifunde uthi hayi nami ngifunde uthi ekhaya kwaze kwagcina sengikhulile introduce umngani wami ekhaya ukuthi ngoba ubaba wengafuni ukuthi sibe nabangani ayingabazi so wayefuna ukuthi njalo sibe nabangani abaziwayo ukuze bazi ukuthi masingekho ekhaya siyodlala kabani masingekho kabani shuthi kumngani wami ke sakhula naye saze sagcina sisifunda esikoleni until waze wajwayela ekhaya so umngani wami was like a family friend like literally bekumuntu nje kwaziwa ukuthi if ufuna ubongi awuzokumthola la ekhaya uzomthola kaSpanibani mawufuna umngani wakhe ungeke uzomthole uzomthola ngapha kwakunjalo nje uthi ke umngani wakhe kwakutholakele uthi ke ubongi ke uyasixoxela lesi story sakho ukuthi okay ngifunde ke sisi ngifunde ngisiqede isikole mangisiqede isikole bese ngihamba ngiyofundela inursing ngifundela inursing because it was something like ukunakekela abantu it was something that I was passionate about and ekhaya babengakhethela ukuthi uzofundani but mina ngangifuna nje ukufunda inursing kwakuthiwa fundela lento oyithandayo so I chose nursing and I did uthi mangiqeda umngani wami ke na wayeke esikoleni ka grade 12 because kubo babengenayo imali yokumqhubeza esikoleni while she was looking for umsebenzi ke until wazawuthola umsebenzi uthi mina mangiqeda ukufundela inursing mangiqeda hayi ngifuna umsebenzi ayingawuthuli but ngihlale ekhaya wali ngisazama ukuthi ngifuna umsebenzi kukhona le boyfriend yami ke uguy ke is very kind is very sweet is a good man nje even ngisho baba bekamthanda nje boyfriend yami beyithanda nje kakhulu ekhaya uthi kuze kufika isikhathi la iboyfriend yami khona izabongiwe izolobola and nje ekhaya we were not abantu abakholelwa kakhulu ezintweni zosiko so into nje ukulobola kwakhona was not that deep like wafika nje wazolobola but kwangezona izinto zosiko nje like that njengoba kusuke kwenziwa kweminye imizi uthi walobola nje emva kwalokho kwakhishwa umshado sashada nomuntu wami and then mashada kwasho ukuthi umuntu wami ke yena yes uyasebenza but akanayo like asikwazi ukuthi sithenge umuzi because at that time mina bengasebenza but umsebenzi nabe usebenza was still not the best ukuthi singakwazi ukuthi sithenge umuzi uthi ke ngihlale kubo ngaleso sikhathi ngibhizi ngiapply because ngashada ngaqede ngaphuma ngihamba ngohlala kubo kamfana uthi ngaleso sikhathi ke ngiapply ke bongo ngizama ukuthola umsebenzi but uthi nje no South Africa dololo umsebenzi awutholakala ngize ngidecide ukuthi you know what because ngifundile let me just apply overseas okay ngi-apply ngoba ngizwa abantu bethi and then they doing great overseas and successfully and what not uthi bese ngi-applyele overseas ukuthi ngifuna ukusebenza as a nurse e-UK uthi hayi after filling all the information and the form and everything uthi ngakusasa I got an email ukuthi and then that agency that was dealing with ama applications ukuthi they are interested and what not in me nangampela ke siqhubeke ne paperwork kuze kuyofika egcineni la ngothola khona umsebenzi ngiyawuthola umsebenzi then I move to the UK ngiyasebenza bongiwe ngisebenza kanzima ngiyazikhandla ngiyasebenza bongiwe the situation e-UK ngarethi ukuthi ngizitholele indawo irent iyabiza nje akukho lula so ngazama ukuthi ngithole indawo that was lower than the standard that I wanted for myself because kangazi ukuthi if ngizokwazi ukuthi ngisave imali so angikwazi ukuthi imali yonke ngiqedelela e-UK nangaphela uthi umngani wethu kazama even nokudla bengizama ukubudgeta ngihambe ngiyothenga ezitolo that you know uyabona nje la ngazi khona kunama discount I was that girl because ugirl yena nomyeni wakhe babalile ukuthi okay in 5 years uzobe usuyabuya ekhaya because mina ngikwazi ukuthi ngihlale away from my wife isikhathi eside kangaka. Uthi bavumelane ke, bavumelane nendoda yakho ukuthi okay hamba usebenza nami ngizobe ngiqoshunuza ngapha until kuze kushaya isikhathi la sikwazi khona ukuthi afford umuzi. Nangempela uGeli wasebenza kanjalo kwashaya 6 months. 6 months mawushaya uGuy yena he's still not, you know, akekho financially stable like that nje, but ke bese bezama ukuthi bathenge umuzi. Nangempela uGuy athi nami ngizozama ukuhlanganisa yami imali noGeli bafake bahambe baye ku-agent, bafike bazama ukukhuluma ne-agent, bakhulumela ukuthi ni bafuna ukuthi babe nomuzi wabo. Hayi agent bathathele phezulu ke kuthe kusakwi process enjalo ke yokuthi bafuna ukuthenga i-apartment, bahambe bayiview noGeli, bahambe bayiview noGuy wakhe, bayiview i-apartment, bayiview babe satisfied. uGeli ke abese yamtshela uGuy ukuthi no, I actually like this apartment, it's in some estate nje ethile somewhere, actually like this apartment and I think right for Tina, so which all we need to do is to do paperwork. Nangempela ahambe uGeli aye phesheya. I-agent yazi ke ukuthi kukhona uGeli, ahamba aye phesheya uGeli, kuyasala ke i-paperwork iqhubeke. uGuy uyathumela amaphepha ukuthi okay sekufuneka usayine la, kufuneka kwenze la until baze bakwazi ukuthi kube nendlu. Kuthi ke after 6 months futhi ngoba njalo uGeli ubuya after 6 months. Makabuya after 6 months uyabuya futhi uyaphinda uyachecka no everything is fine, abuye usezodecorate indlu yabo. She's been saving. Uthi Bongiwe I was saving like and make sure ukuthi ngangiclean abantu abagulayo abaphalazayo. Uthi you know uyazi isibhedlela kunjani. Uthi I had to endure all of that so that I can make sure that mangibuyela ekhaya ngibuyela in a comfortable lifestyle. Uthi uGeli nangempela abuye makabuye ekhaya ubuya kushuthi sekunyaka manje because it's 6 months wesibili. Abuye ke azofinisha indlu, adecorate, bayathenga nendoda, bathenge this is a 2-bedroom apartment. Ikamero labo and all of that, bese kubi guest bedroom but bayisebenzisa as a closet ka my lady. Ibe yinhle nje indlu yabo, like I decorate and plant flowers. uGeli yatshala imbali nje what she likes and what she thinks is beautiful. Ashintshe ke afake ke ithombe zabo zomshado nomkhwenyana wakhe dining room nasekamereni labo. Uthi nje azame nje ukudecorate indlu to their standard, and indoda yakhe ke was very nice. Uthi yamnika also i-allowance ukuthi you can do as you please, like I don't care much as long as akhiphe imali uGeli noGuy akhiphe imali kuthi ngifinisha, but decide ukufinisha, but decide uyase dining room yasekamereni neyaselokhuzeni, guest bedroom nje nase kitchen all over, indlu ke ibe phashasha. Uthi uGeli abese ehamba ke ahambe ashiye futhi ahambe ayosebenza phesheya. Uthi uyasebenza phesheya uyazikhandla. Uthi ngisebenza kanzima Bongiwe, uthi the sacrifices I was doing njengoba ngisebenza phesheya, uthi it was beyond me nje. Uthi bengenza sure ukuthi angidli izinto engiyifunayo, I don't go out with other nurses mabathi kuyaphunywa, like I limited isikhathi sabangani. I made sure that when my husband is calling me uyangithola kwi phone call nje. Uthi bengenza leyo mphila leyo mpilo ke leyo. Uthi ngelinye ilanga uGeli usuphelile ku 5 years, indlu is fully paid. Uphele ku 5 years kuleyo kuleyo kusebenza kwakhe phesheya kanzima. Uphele u5 years, makaphele u5 years kusho ukuthi indoda yakhe angayitshela ukuthi useya resigna emsebenzini, useyabuya uzekhaya. So Bongiwe uphele ku 5 years, so I'm deciding ukuthi okay now it's time for me to go home and surprise my husband because I do not want to wait another minute ngisebenza la phesheya. But nasi istory esalayo. While esebenza umngani wethu phesheya, wathola i-call from a guy. Uthi le guy uyangifonela uyangitshela ukuthi hayibo Bongiwe, kukhona izinto ezenzekayo lapha emzini wakho. Uthi and then ngimlalela uGuy bese yangitshela ukuthi no, umuntu wakho use move on, uthandana nomuntu wami, but angangitsheli ukuthi and uthi uthanda nomuntu wami obese ngi-engagene naye, but angangitsheli ukuthi ubani lo muntu wakhe. Uthi hayi ngibona ukuthi I can't ask umyeni wami because mangibuza umyeni wami uzophika zovela aqamba amanga. I need to investigate ukuthi kwenzekalani. Ngicele lo guy lo ukuthi akang investigatele ukuthi kwenzekalani. Angitholile investigate South Africa because ayekho umuntu engimaziyo. Uguy yathi no, I can't, but all I can tell you is that be careful, there is someone osemuvile kwakho. Uthi ke uGeli bese ehamba uye eSouth Africa, iba naleyo information ke at the back of your mind. Uthi uGeli makase ehamba ke eSouth Africa, aligibela ibhanoyi vele useqoqele zonke impahla zakhe useyashiya eUK. Uyafika la eSouth Africa ehle airport akamtshelanga umkhwenyana wakhe because ufuna ukuzibonela yena mathupha ukuthi lento le ebeyizwile iqiniso kangakanani. Uthi yezwa bonke ngathi mangehle airport isisami eJohannesburg International isisami sasinka kwangathi ngishonelwe. Uthi mangigibele emotweni driving and going home kwangathi angiboni kumnyama because ngase ngijahile nokuthi ngifike ekhaya. And a part of me is like maybe kufuna ngisave umshado wami, a part of me is like but no, umkhwenyana wami ungenslima, but I'll have to see for myself. Nangampela umngani wethu uthi ahambe. Makafika endlini uyafika uya ku security, ngithi uhlala ku estate, uyafika kune security. Security bese alitshela ukuthi ucela ukungena ngaphakathi endlini yakhe. Uthi security lithi no, awunayo indlu moswena lana. Uthi uGeli athi ayibonke nayo nje last year security ke vela limanzi lisanda kuqashwa, it's a face angakaza sayibone lo sisi. Uthi hayi angikwazi mina abese yashuthi ngisenamba bani ngengenise. Uthi security lilo lizibona ukuthi no man nathi ngimngenise uzosibonela lo sisi. Nangampela afike endlini, makafika endlini yakhe ufika usisi ufaka ukhiye, uhuqa amasukesi, uhuqa inqaba amasukesi, amanye uwadonselwa udriver weUber. Uyamdonsela amasukesi and makafika faka ukhiye esitapeni ukhiya usebenze. Uthi ngithi no man, umuzwa ngempela lo. Uthi security lengibuke lithi sisi, are you sure ukuthi indlu yakho le? Athi uGeli yebo baba. Uthi ngiyinkulu nje inhlonipho because I understood ukuthi ubaba lo akaza zangibone, so lento ayenzayo it's part of umsebenzi wakhe, so I can't be mean to him even though sengijahile ukungena ngaphakathi endlini. Khaxa dololo ngavuleki. Uthi bese ngiyangqongqoza qonqonqonqonqonqonqonqonqo. Uthi makavula emnyango lo ngaphakathi kuvula umngane kamngani wethu. Kuvula umngane kaBongi, uyena ovulayo. Makavula isicabha umngani ugqoke izingubo zikamngani wethu. Uthi umngani wethu ngikhokha umoya ngimbuke, ngimbuza ukuthi ufunani la. Umngani athi hawu ubuyile, hawu ashokheka umngani, ubuyile but kube ngathi uyajabula. Athi ubuyile, awu ngena like amngenise. Angene endlini, angene nezikhwama, angene ayibeke dining room, ahlale phansi. Abuza umngani akhe uthi hayibo Fre, ufunani endlini yami na? Athi umngani it happened when you were gone. Umuntu wakho wangitshela ukuthi ulonely, udinga umuntu ozokwazi ukuthi azomnakekela and talk to him. Uthi kwaqala ngokuthi nje sixoxe ngawe, and then it ended up being something bigger. Something bigger in uthi uGeli athi, and then it became a relationship. Uthi uGeli, so wena mngani wami we've been friends all this time. Sisabancane. Ukwazi ukuthi manje uzongibetray nomyeni wami umuntu engishade naye. Akhala umngani asikhihle sikananda athi no, I didn't mean to mnganami, like kwenzekile like uguy wangitshela ukuthi wena you're not picking up his calls, you're no longer interested in him, you don't want a relationship naye, and then waqede lapho wathi and then he would rather date me. So ingubo zami wayigqoke my dress, angabi nayo impendulo umngane asikhihle sikanandi. Aphinda ambuze futhi uthi but what are you doing? Like as umngane wami, I didn't expect this from you. Ugela khale a blame indoda akasho ukuthi nje indoda. Athi but why bungangifoneli phesheya ungibuze? Why didn't you call me as my friend? Athi emene no bengisaba ukufonela because nami bese ngidevelopile ama feelings for you guy. Abese uGeli makabheka ifoni yakhe, uGeli bese khipha ifoni yakhe esikhwameni ubunke. Abheka ifoni, makabheka ifoni uyathola ukuthi enene kunama miss calls out 10. Kusho ukuthi uGuy beka lokho emfonela engamtholi. Because ubese flighting. Now abese yamfonela aphindisela i-call again ukuthi hawu ngiyabona ungifonelile bese ethi uGuy ukuphi, I've been trying to get hold of you. Athi I'm home. Athi you home? Ukuthi uGuy athule on the other side kube nokuthula. Athi which home? Athi in our house. uGuy athule abese ethi why didn't you tell me that you were coming back home? Uthi no, but I thought I should surprise you because I was coming back. You know, I thought I should just surprise you. Uthi bese uGuy abese ethi okay, it's fine, yes, I'm gonna be there shortly. Nangambela eze uGuy akuphelanga ama-hour mangakhe uGuy behambe ngomsebenzi, akuphelanga ama-hour mangakhe uGuy wafika ekhaya, wafika wahlala phansi, bahlala e-dining room bakhuluma. uGuy ungena vele nje with the attitude ukuthi ya vele ngizomtshela namhlanje sikabhoqo. Othi ke abese yambuza uGeli ukuthi hawu wena usuthala nomngani wami? Abese ethi uGuy ya wena ngithi mina benginonkosikazi. Uthi angigaslight umfana, umgaslight ngokuthi enene mina bucabanga ukuthi uzohlala kanjani ngindoda, ngihlale ngedwa iminyaka u5 wena ungekho uhleli phesheya. Uthi but into esasikhulumile nje lena, sasikhulumile ukuthi ngizohlala phesheya mina ngibe ngakho imali ukuze sikwazi ukusheshe sikhokhele umuzi uqede. Uthi ya mina ke but ngangengikwazi lokho ngoba ayikho indoda ekwazi ukuhlala yodwa. Uthi angigaslight. Uthi but my soul was so calm because I knew ukuthi lento yabo ngase ngiyazi before, bese ngazi ukuthi ngeke ngikwazi ukubatshela manje ukuthi bengazi ngabo. Uthi bese ningadila nobuhlungu bakhona ukuthi manje ubuhlungu siqala phansi ngoba sengiyababona emehlweni iwese uGeli ugqoke ingubo zami. Uthi enene bese ngikukhulume uthi nje ama answers akhe umfana yangigaslight angitshela ukuthi enene uyena bengeke akwazi ukuhlala. Uthi so what decide ukudate umngane nami. Uthi indoda ithi yeah, but uyena umuntu who was there available and comforting me, and now I'm in love with her. Uthi so you are in love with her? Athi yeah. Athi so I don't know ukuthi uzokwenza njani, but mina I'm in love with her. Uthi abese uGeli baxoxe uthi uyakhala umngane ngapha, indoda iyamgaslight ngapha imenza isilima nje. Umngane usaqoka impahla zakhe. Uthi umngane hamba ushintsha abuye uyeza uphathe 3. Ngiza nendaba wona uzana nendlebe olunye usuku lolu ngoba isikhathi ngizamile ukuthi ngiqede le video izolo, but kwangafuneka ukuthi ngiqede ngirecord idelete. I didn't have space in my phone, so nangu go part 3. Kusho ukuthi umngane wethu ke bakhulume until baze bakhathale. Yabona, you know man khulumeni ngeinkinga until ingqondo ize ngasafuna ukusebenza. Uthi my brain went blank and I was so exhausted and no one was talking endlini. Bese sibukana ngamehlo until I was like I need to go sleep. Uthi uGeli ahamba embedeni, uGuy ambuza ukuthi uzula laphi, as if the guy was expecting umngane wethu ukuthi ahamba ayolala ehotel. Uthi ngithi like no, unoche ngizolala la endlini yami le ngayikhiphela imali yami. Uthi nangempela uGeli ahambe athi uzolala kwi-guest bedroom, bakhuphuke ke namasuitcase bambambise bayombekela kwi-guest bedroom. Ahambe uthi ngiyolunguza ngale kwi-bedroom yami vele ngiyafica ithombe zami. uGeli usesusile ithombe, usesuse yonke into yami ekwi-headboard eduze kombhede kumaside ombhede usebeke iy'thombe zakhe ney'thombe zomuntu wakhe. Esinye salezo zithombe lezi engangithunyelwe sona behambile beyolwandle. Uthi-ke hayi kulungile ngihambe-ke bese ngiya kwi-guest bedroom. Mangifika kwi-guest bedroom uthi I thought I was gonna sleep, but I mean I knew cause bengikhathele. Uthi kodwa akuzange ngilaleke, ngacabanga kazindla, ngacabanga isikhathi engisebenzile phesheya, isikhathi ngiphipha abantu, isikhathi nginakekela abantu abagulayo, ngithinta ilonda like ngidila nogogo babelungu. Uthi isikhathi la ngitshelwa ngicwaswa nangokwebala ngihleli lana ngizama ukuthi ngilungiselela mina nomyeni wami so that we can have exercise right. Uthi yonke lonto yawela phansi. Uthi ngacabanga uthi angilalanga bongiwe ngahlala kwaze kwasa. Mangivuka ekseni ngivuswa iyona le ndoda yanqonqoza, and nakhona nje yayithi ngivusa ngoba naku ngilele ngisahleli ngiyazindla. Uthi ngqongqoze kunqonqoze nok. Uthi abese yavula umnyango athi we need to talk kushukayi. Athi uGeli engathi uGayi ufuna ukungena like kwi-guest bedroom, ufuna ukungena la khona umngani wethu. Umngani wethu athi no, ngicela ungilinde unginike i-chance, I need to go take a bath. Mase ngiqedile then ngizokwazi ukuthi ngehle ngihlangane nani downstairs sixoxe. Ayike ngampela uGeli ageza qede. Athi makaqeda ukugeza ayilungisa bese ehamba kaye downstairs. Makafika downstairs uyafica my guy no my girl bahleli esofeni balinde yena. Uyabona nje ukuthi uMichael usazisola, uyambona nje ukuthi she's sorry kodwa usola umbhedo because ulayene ndoda yami mngani wethu. Uthi enene umngani wethu abese uthi ke bese indoda iyaqala kithi ya manje wena it's because you didn't give me time funa sikhulume ukuthi sizokwenza njani because mina sengi in love with umngani wakho. Okay. Uthi ke so kufuneka manje you need to go find ihotela la uzohlala khona. You can't sleep here na, you can't stay with us. You need to figure out what you need to do with your life because you neglected me. I didn't neglect you. You ubungifonela every time and ubungithola. Uthi the lies that you told umnganami are not the lies that you're gonna keep up like mina because mina I know the truth. Mina nawe sobabili siyalazi iqiniso ukuthi ukuzitshwa nazo zonke lezi zinto ngigaslight engazizolo was not true. So mina bengikunike isikhathi uthi I did everything. Uthi I did everything. Abese ke eyamtshela kuGayi ukuthi enene ya so I'm still sticking to what I'm saying ukuthi enene kuzomela uhambe la and lendlu ayibhaliswanga ngawe. Indlu ayibhaliswanga ngami kanjani because we bought the house together. Athi kunamanye ama documents ayefuneka lapha endlini and when you were not here I had to fill them on my own, so the house ended up being under my name. Uthi uGeli athi ngoba ngakutshela nje ngathi ngi-emailele all the documents so that I can be able to sign them. Kwasalile kulawo sasosayinile. Uthi yeah but ke kwenzeka kanjalo so you don't own this property, I own this property, so I need you to leave. Wathi uGeli unotshe, I'm not leaving, I'm not going anywhere. Lalela ke mfowethu ngicela ukukhiphela nayi information maybe that you might need to look at before ngihambe. Uthi uyakhumbula kunomfana wangifonela. Umfana uthi we fiance kaLusi sohleli naye. Umfana uyena wangitshela, ungitshele just a year after ngishiyile ekhaya. Wangitshela ukuthi enene ifiance yakhe ijola nawe. Wangichazela ukuthi enene wangithumelela isithombe. Ka realize ukuthi man no. Show me Moslo. This is my friend Mos. Uthi ubhlungu engabuzwa lapho but it's fine. Aseke ebhlungwini siyadlula manje, we are moving on. Angithi ufuna ngihambe la kulendlini, awufuni nginiphazamisa. Wathi yeah so wangitshela and then after that ngamcela umfana which was ex yakhe which is ifiance cause kwangeyona ex akayalanga. Ngamcela ukuthi and then uthi une fiance washokheka umfana. Uthi hawa akakutshela ngani ukuthi une fiance. Uthi ke asiqhubekeni ke. Uthi ke after that sengitshela ifiance yakhe singitshelile. Uthi ngamcela uGuy ukuthi ngicela kube uye ongilandelela nina wathi uGuy ngeke akwazi ukuthi anilandele and find details. I need to hire a private investigator. Which is, oh my God, I did hire a private investigator because I wanted to know ukuthi lento yenzayo is it legit or if yenzele inqambela manga. Uthi nangampela nasi isithombe ngesikhathi nanihambile ne vacation, nasi isithombe ngesikhathi umkhiphile umusa restaurant, nasi isithombe ekupheleni kwenyanga lengangekuphe kuyona imali yokuthi wenze ukuthi nje ebali ethi kwakuyimali okumnikene ukuthi kulungiswe endlini and all of that. Uthi nasi isithombe. So athi uGuy, but still that doesn't prove anything. Uthi no, but you were cheating emshadweni wethu. What do you mean it doesn't prove anything? What? I'm not done. What? I'm not done. Kukusiza ukulinda. Uthi aphinda akhiphe enye envelope esuitcase nangethi amasuitcase uGuy uwehlisele usawabeke wonke la ezantsi. Nalezi izithombe uzikhiphela isuitcase nakhiphe enye envelope. Athi the best thing you can do for me ukuthi ungisayinele nanka ama divorce papers. And bese uyazi ukuthi the amount of money ngayikhipha for lendlu uzomele ize mina yonke lendlu sizoyidayisa. Athi angeke sikwazi ukuyidayisa lendlu because it's under my name. You don't own anything ela kulendlu. Athi ke okay, ake sivule le envelope my guy. Which is, so when I got all the details ukuthi when you've already moved on with my friend, I went ngahamba ngawufuna ilawyer. Mangifuna ilawyer, i-lawyer advise ukuthi each and every receipt from now on engithumelayo ekhaya, I need to make sure ukuthi ngiyabhala ukuthi this is for our property. This is for our property. As you can see, my guy, eslipini kubhala ukuthini for our property. So lo mali iphuma kubani? Kusho umngane. Abese uGuy aqale ashokeke. Athi you know, just because enene uhambile waya kwi-lawyer yase UK doesn't mean ukuthi enene i-lawyer lo mthetho lo wase UK uzovumelana nomthetho wase South Africa. Wathi oh, I'm not done. Angizwe ukuthi ngithini ngiseza. Wathi so I was advised ukuthi mangifike eSouth Africa uthe mangibuye, which was unyaka wesine ngiphesheya. Ngabuya nje ukwazi ungibona nje ngiphethe ama divorce papers, ngabuya ngafuna ama divorce papers la while you were busy when playing hide and seek with my friend behind me. Mina ngafuna ama divorce papers, ngafuna i-lawyer ezokwazi ukuthi ngichazele ukuthi if sine situation esime kanje sizokwenza njani. Nangempela lawyer ngi-advise ukuthi no, it's easy as long as you have a paper trail we're going to be able to get through this. Uthi so I know that awukwazi ukuthi uphule umthetho uthathe ngokwami. Athi umfana awa ngeke kwenzeke lokho. Ngiyakutshela wathi uGeli ke into ozongenzela yona uzongenzela ifavor. Ngiyacela ukuthi uthathe amasaka nakho nentombi yakho niphume kweyamindlu that I've paid for. Both of them contributed towards the house, but uGeli contributed more. uGuy contributed less because uGeli uyena ubesebenza phesheya ezama ukusave imali ukuze basheshe baqede ukukhokhela installment sendlu. uGuy agoloze abuka uGeli athi angeke kuze kwenzeke lokho. Athi uGeli okay, uzozwa ke wena uzozwa ngama lawyers. Hold on, I'm just going back. I'm going to my lawyer now and from now on ama lawyers amazodila nalokho. Uthi okay uGeli uthi ngiphume namasuitcase ami ngibize uUber ngihuqa amasuitcase ami ngiphume ngegate. Uthi angifakele epeni futhi ngihambe ngiyofuna indawo yokuhlala. Uthi a part of me wanted to go home, a part of me wanted to go to the hotel, but I was like no, let me go home. Mangifika ekhaya ngiyafika okay, ekhaya ke room lami lisekhona. Abazali bami bashokeka ukuthi enene yindaba why I'm home, except for my father. Bashokekile, even though I was shocked, but still they were not shocked the way I thought they would be shocked. Abatshela ukuthi sebuyile and ufice khona umngani wakhe endlini indoda yakhe abachazele sonke istory. Abesethi udadewabo ngangishilo ukuthi ngabona usibanibani emall ehamba nendoda kadadewethu. Uthi ngangishilo, uthi besethi wawushilo pho indaba nangangitshela. Abese bonke babheka ubaba wakhona, babheka ubaba wentomazana. Athi mntanami udadewenu wangitshela ngamkholelwa ngakholwa ukuthi umngane wakho umngane wakho wejwayele ukuza la ekhaya zonke izinsuku, but after suhambile she stopped nje wangeza la ekhaya nomeza nje umbona ukuthi akekho comfortable ufuna ukushesha ahambe. Uthi so ngahlanganisa 1 no 2 after seswakhe ngitshelile ngabona ukuthi okay umuntu wakho kusho ukuthi udate umngane wakho. Uthi bengiyona into bekuzoba lula mina njengomzali ukuthi ngixoxele yona leyo nto ngoba ubuphesheya usebenza kanzima, and if ubengitshela lo nto mhlambe it was gonna break you and no one was gonna be able to comfort you while you were overseas and working hard. But I didn't want to break your heart, mntanami. So I spoke to your mother. I decided, uma wakho wanted to tell you nosisi wakho, but I decided ukuthi singatsheli so that we can make sure ukuthi mentally you are okay ukuthi usebenze, and then the day uthola we're gonna be here to support you. So I stopped them ukuthi bakutshele because ngangibalekela ukuthi ungazi ubuhlungu mntanami, but ngiyaxolisa njengomzali it was my duty to tell you, but ngangazi ukuthi usubuyele ekhaya ngiyokwazi ukuthi mhlambe ngihlalise phansi ngikutshele noma uzozibonela wena. Ingane idinwe ke uthi I got so mad a little bit with my family, but I understood because my father, I know that bekangafuna into ezongiphatha kabuhlungu, so I knew what he said was the truth makathi and then bekangafuna ukungihetha ngiphesheya because beyazi ukuthi impilo yami izoba nzima. So then sakhuluma ke ngamtshela ubaba wangitshela ukuthi I need to continue with i-lawyer le kade ngisebenzisa, or I can take i-lawyer yakhe la isebenzayo. Then I took my father's lawyer. I stopped labeling ngisebenzisa, took my father's lawyer, ngamnika wonke amaphepha, information ukuchitha, pictures ukuchitha komyeni wami, pictures nje from when they started until the end, and the messages from my boyfriend Sisi, and the pictures from my slips was a bank when I was transferring money for a property. And guess what? It took long. Uti case yakhona took really long, but then she ended up winning the case. Uti she got not even half. Uti because I paid more for indlu. Uti ngathola more of what I paid for. I got my side. My sister is a property nae. Watolo lugai kokil. Uti then I moved. And I seek umsebenzi South Africa. Uthi manje ngiyasebenza kahle, and I'm doing well, and I have my own businesses ekhaya. Ngiyaqhubeka futhi ngisawunesi. Uthi impilo is doing well. Uthi angakashadi ke bangana abafuna ukwazi ukuthi sengimtholile umuntu uthi ngakamtholi. I'm still trying to heal and deal with the pain that was caused by my husband. Uthi I don't even know if ngakwazi ukuthi ngiphinde ngimthembe umuntu wesilisa the way engangimthembe ngakhona lo abhoti. Uthi so I just want to tell you ladies, every time when you send a man money, bhala phansi. Uthi also I don't know why would you do that as a woman, but mina uthi yena wayewenza so ukuthi babeshadile. So bhala phansi and save yourself, because wow, uzothola usuhlele eminyango. Ingikhumbuza ke umunye umfana engangathana naye lesi story. Niyafuna yini ukuzwa indaba zami? Hayibo. Okay, ngizongixoxela ke just 5 seconds. Inkumbuza sile story somunye umfana engangajola naye ke. So nami ngangifuna ukuthenga indlu kwenye indawo nje. Engeke ngize ngintshele yona kodwa ngala eThekwini. So I wanted to buy a house, and I reached out to a company leyo thizeni and ngifuna ukuthenga indlu. Mangifuna ukuthenga indlu abese ngimtshela umfana ukuthi then okay akahamba yongiviewela ke leyo property, because at the time ngangibhizi nami ngakwazi ukuview property. Wayiviewa ke wathi umfana yino i right property. Kuthe mase kufanele senze paperwork. Umfana wangibuza ukuthi why ngayibhalisi ngami naye. Kanti mina no, I can't, because we were still dating. Like I can't ngizoyithenga mina because kade ngisebenza. So mangiqeda umfana ngizothi mase ngithenge yami indlu, wena mhlazana ufuna ukuthi sithenge ukwethu sobabili, siyobe sesidayise yami ngithatha uhalf sihlanganise bese na ufaka uhalf sithenge yethu. Umfana wakwata. He started driving the car fast. Naleyo moto kwakuyami. Wa drive imoto fast. Ngamcela ngathi please stop what you're doing. wathi and then mina selfish kade hlini nami angifuni ukuthi indlu ngibhale ngaye athi hayibo mfana hayibo kahle wena bo ngazokubhedela mina kodwa ngisho ukuthi ngazongibhedela ngathi but you're selfish like why would you want me to ukuthi ngibhale indlu yami ngawe to a point whereby ngisho sokusuku lokuthi simove in ubaba wakho wangibuza ukuthi and then indlu ibhale ngubani makoti ngathi mina baba indlu ibhale ngami because mina umfana wenganamali umfana kodwa wangikwatela wahlala engikhumbuza wayedinwe eqhuma and thank God usisi wami umdala wayengiadvisile I think ekhaya babehlale bembona umfana ukuthi umkhulukudu mina ekhaya nje I'm lucky because I have ngine family that is very smart and street smart and wise so usisi wami umdala used to say Bongiwe mhlazana uthenga umuzi ungambhali umfana emzini wakho that was my older sister uNombuso ungambhali emzini wakho and those words kept on ringing the day ngithenga iproperty ukuthi ungambhali umfana wangilwisa kwabancane indawo sangakhulumisana nhlobo kaze ngaphuma emotweni esedrive ngathi nje ufuna ukusibulala sobabili ngaphuma emotweni ngihamba ngenyawo kusho ukuthi wabona ukuthi hayi no lo uzozabona ukuthi enene ngifuna ukumgebenga let me calm down but nje he called me selfish so singantshela ukuthi umngane wethu is not like she went through something nami ngangacishe ngadlula kuyona but akhumbula amazwi kadade wethu omdala wathi Bongiwe ngakulenge even my first car ngathenga ibhakhe emnyama leyo bhakhe leyo was registered under my name and I'm sure yes a lot of people would think it's his car but it was mine you know I own the car I own the house like uNkulunkulu engibusisile in that sense siyabonga bye ngicela nami ngelinye ilanga ezami indaba kodwa ke aniletheni keep on yangiphazamisa lo bhuti ngiyacela niqhubeke ke ni subscribe ku YouTube channel nibuke ama videos ami niwaqede nibuke ama adverts angithi bangani sifuna ukuthi ngihole khona nami ngizolokhu ngiza ngizoshutha ngilethele indaba so ngiyacela ukuthi nibuka ama adverts wonke don't skip it subscribe on my YouTube channel Bongiwe Ndlovukazi go on my Facebook follow Bongiwe Ndlovukazi Facebook page Bongiwe Ndlovukazi page now 270 something people subscribe follow bese uyasuka ku Instagram uthi qhubu Instagram uthi follow usuye ku TikTok uthi follow and I will keep them coming wonke I'll keep them coming if ungashuthanga namhlanje ushutha kusasa if ungashuthanga kusasa ushutha ngalo just for you guys to be entertaining and thanda nonke emakhaya please be smart ngabu MNR udlala bafana